Hi everyone, welcome to Crack SAP new video. I hope everyone is doing good. Last many videos I have uploaded in Crack SAP my channels, and go through the each and every videos and enjoy and like it and subscribe it. Now I'm going with the asset acquisition with hosting, simulation, and the same GL account where we are determining in the F- acquisition, and how it will asset will going to show in asset value. It will cover everything, and after that I'll make one more video for depreciation. So for now I'm going with the one asset acquisition, and also I'll show the related configuration for the same. Let us go. There is a ES03 is an asset. I'll take it in a 2000 is my asset, and the asset, the value is nothing. Now I am going to acquisition. There is no posting value and nothing is there. So now I'm going with the asset acquisition. So let us start with acquisition from F-90. F-90 for acquisition of asset. If you see in the title itself, acquisition from purchase with the vendor header data. So I'm going with the vendor and also creating the acquisition. Let us start with 01042022. So I can, next video you can see the same thing in depreciation as well, and change the document type AA, that called as an asset document type, and this is the company code, and your date will be, posting date will be 01042022, whereas I'm procuring this asset in April. And now it's a 31 for vendor credit. Now I'll take it a vendor credit. Just I'm hitting enter. Now it will ask me okay, the message is ignorable, and I'll take it 28,000 for asset. You can write a text. And this is then if your vendor is tax deductible, it means withholding tax. If it is there, then you can, otherwise ignore both tax code and go ahead. Now I am going with the, now you can make the asset acquisition, asset purchase. Now what is exactly here I have to put is debit to the asset. Debit to the asset, it means what? That has to be 70 is an asset key where we have to procure, and debit to the asset. When we are making any sales, scrap, anything, that will be coming to 75. So 70 is a posting key which I am going to use here. Here I am not giving any asset GL. I am going to give here, it is an asset number. If you see here, this is the asset number which I showed in the AS03. Okay, this is the machinery I am going to take here. Okay, now, and this is just I'll put a hit enter, and what is the error, you will get it, and then we'll solve the error. That we will make it. The enter, now it is asking enter a transaction type. What is the transaction type? The transaction type is 100. Whenever you purchase the asset, the transaction type is very important, which will give you the correct to procure the asset. Now I'll hit enter. I'll make it a star because of already I given you amount here, and now I'm just, this is a tax code. It will ask, if I'm not giving any tax code, it will give me error because of it's a mandatory field. I have put it. Just hit enter. Now you can make it purchase, or else just make it plus here. Automatically it will catch. You make it type it, otherwise make it a star plus for automatically copy the last line item text here. Now I'm going with the accounting simulation. This is the accounting simulation, whereas vendor account credit to asset account debit. This is an asset GL. If I'm going with the actual asset accounting document, whereas I'm getting two type of document types, because of this is an S4HANA, it will introduce a technical clearing account. What do you call? Technical clearing account. The technical clearing account is here. Because of here it is a technical clearing account will be going to debit and credit because of valuation purpose. This is an operational purpose, and this is an technical clearing account will be introduced for operational and valuation. And there is it will create a two documents for asset calculation. Be remember, don't confuse here. It will be debit to be technical clearing account and credit to the technical clearing account, but it will two accounts. One is vendor account credit and a technical clearing account debit, and then the asset account debit and technical clearing account credit. This is, I'll show you actual posting. Now I'll show you how it will be going to determine this GL account. This GL account will be determined from where? We go with the AO90 or SPRO, financial accounting, IMG, financial accounting, asset accounting here, integration, and assign a GL account. Now I'll put it here and double click on the account determination, and this is the 160020. How come I understand 1620? So I go here, yes, 03, and put enter. See, this is the account determination. This account determination, which is give you the GL account determination. Okay, 160020, and make a balance it here. So this is a book depreciation. Click here to magnify icon, and this is an GL account. Because of balance sheet account, APC is an asset procurement. It's an account is a asset acquisition. So if you see here, this is an account acquisition. Yeah, where do we determine this both GL account? Because of, if you see here, you will get only two, right? This is also technical clearing account. Be remember, this is a technical clearing account. This is a technical one, but ultimately it goes to zero both. Where it is coming from? Here it is. Just I'm going out. If I see here, I have assigned the technical clearing account for. This is my chart of account. This is a technical clearing account. This technical clearing account will be hit here, debit and credit. I hope you understand. This is my payable account. It means my vendor account, and this is this GL account will be my reconciliation account for vendor. This GL is coming from vendor account. This GL from AO90 or account determination. If you go with the T code AO90, if you go with SPRO, that's an account determination, a GL account, and here it is a technical clearing account. Now I'm going with the save here. So I'll post. Sorry, I'll post here. If I post here, the document number is 100000121. So I'll display this document. So see, this is the credit to the vendor, and this is a technical clearing account. If you see here in the description itself, I showed you, this is because of the vendor account credit to technical clearing account debit. Because of this is an S4HANA has been given an option for technical clearing account for asset accounting. There is a new asset accounting in the S4HANA, whereas introduce a technical clearing account. So if you see here in the asset accounting document, you will get the two document number here. One is for operational and one for valuation here. So this is also a clearing with the technical clearing account. Here it's a credit and here it is a debit. Here vendor is going to credit, here it is a technical clearing account is credit, and here the debit is a asset account. I hope you understand this one. And what about my asset account? So I'll go with my asset. Asset, shall I open here? Oh, okay. I'll go with asset. Yes, it is asset is the here. I'll go with the asset value. What about I have posted here? This is it took a USD. Okay, because of it is will be took in the USD, no problem. If it is in a book depreciation, if it's in 28,000. See, my group currency is in USD and it will took a USD. If this is my book depreciation in India, INR, this year. And my depreciation will be this year, yeah, this one. And this is my acquisition. If I click here, so I'll get the posting. Okay, this is the debit to the asset account, credit to the technical clearing account. Even though you can see here in the both accounts, and vendor accounts also credited here. This is vendor account. I'll show you. Vendor account will be credited. So go to MBL 1N. MBL 1N. You can see the document number. It's asset accounting 28,000. Document number, what is the document number? This document is number for it. This is 21 number for I can see. Oops, one second. This is my document number. This is set account. That's a purchase. So whatever you have learned here, one, you have analyzed the asset first, zero balance asset, and then we are acquisition, and now same time you have see the configuration of the asset, whereas how the purchase account, it means account acquisition is determining, and what is the asset asset class through asset determination class, and technical clearing account, where do we maintain. So how it will be determined, and how the vendor reconciliation account will be determined. And you will see the asset balance also and depreciation also. I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe, like it, and maybe you request you to forward this to your friends and share the my link, and they will also learn something good. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best.